Listen to me and listen to me closely, because what I am about to tell you is the difference between a retirement filled with what-ifs and a retirement where you are the master of your own destiny. You have worked your entire life. You have saved, you have sacrificed, and you have put your money into those traditional IRAs and 401(k)s because everyone told you that was the smart thing to do. But I want you to look at that account balance right now. Do you see that number? That number is a lie. It is not all yours. A huge chunk of that money belongs to Uncle Sam, and he is just waiting for you to turn 73 so he can come knocking and demand his share through required minimum distributions. Are you afraid of that? You should be. You should be terrified of the idea that when you are 80 years old, the government can tell you how much of your own money you have to take out and exactly how much they're going to tax you on it. You are facing a tax-ticking time bomb, and if you don't defuse it now, while you still have the power, you are going to regret it for the rest of your life. But there is a way out. It's called a Roth Conversion Ladder. This isn't just some fancy financial jargon, it is a strategy for freedom. It is the way you take that taxable IOU to the IRS and turn it into tax-free wealth that you can use whenever you want, however you want, without ever giving another dime to the taxman on those gains. Now, how does this work? You have to understand the 5-year rule. This is where most people get tripped up, and this is where you have to be smart. When you move money from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA, that's a conversion. The IRS says you have to wait 5 years before you can touch that specific converted amount penalty-free if you're under 59 and a half. But even if you're older, that 5-year clock is your best friend. The latter part is the secret sauce. You don't convert everything at once. If you take $500,000 out of your traditional IRA today and move it to a Roth, you're going to get hit with a tax bill that will knock you off your feet. You'll be pushed into the highest tax bracket, and you'll be miserable. No! We do this with precision. Step 1. Look at your current tax bracket. For 2026, the brackets have shifted. If you're married filing jointly and your taxable income is around $100,000, you're in the 22% bracket. That bracket goes all the way up to about $191,000. Do you see that gap? That's your conversion zone. You convert just enough money each year to fill up your current bracket without jumping into the next one. You pay the tax now at a known, lower rate, so you never have to pay it again at an unknown, higher rate later. Step 2, you repeat this every single year. Year 1, you convert a run. Year 2, you convert another run. By the time you get to year 6, that first run has finished its 5-year waiting period. It is now ripe. You can pull that money out tax-free and penalty-free. And guess what? The next year, the second run is ready. You have created a self-sustaining machine of tax-free income. I want you to ask yourself, do you think taxes are going to be lower in 10 years than they are today? With our national debt where it is? Of course not. Taxes are on sale right now. This is the time to act. Here is your actionable takeaway, and I want you to do this today. Get your tax return from last year. Look at your taxable income line. Call your financial advisor or jump on your computer and see how much room you have left in your current tax bracket. Then, start your first run. Even if it's just $10,000 or $20,000. Start the clock. Don't let your fear of a tax bill today stop you from having a tax-free tomorrow. You have the power to protect your future. You have the power to say no to the IRS. So take that power, start your ladder, and give yourself the retirement peace of mind that you deserve. You can do this.